What's up YouTube, it's your girl Miss Mbeka here. Today I'm going to show you a 10-minute cardio workout that I do at home with no equipment. For the days I'm going easy on myself. Today is one of those days, especially because I have a class from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and then I have two shifts, one from 3 to 11 and another one from 12 to 8 a.m. So definitely I have to go easy on myself, but still I have to get my body moving for the day, and these 10 minutes are going to work for me. So if you're a girlie out here looking for simple workouts to get you moving for the day, especially because you're busy, this one is going to work out well for you because it's just 10 minutes. So make sure to keep moving for the 10 minutes. And we hydrate in this house, so grab your water bottle. And if you have a yoga mat, grab your yoga mat. You can use it. For us who don't have yoga mats, we can still work out effectively. Yeah. So this specific workout for today is going to get your heartbeat racing. It's going to boost your mood for the day. And yeah, it's going to count as a workout. So let's get started. You're going to have 2 minutes of warm-up and then 5 minutes of going hard, like 5 minutes of the real exercise, and then 3 minutes of cool down. So as I said, just keep moving for the 10 minutes. Don't stop. Just do anything as long as you're moving your body. So let's get started. You don't have to jump in this exercise, so it's apartment friendly. You don't have to be the annoying neighbor. Make your stances a little bit wider if you can. Next on. This is good to open up your hips for 30 seconds. Make sure your knees are pointing towards your toes and they're pointing straight ahead. Okay. Okay, next we go to reverse lunges. Okay, this is how we do it. You can go at your own pace. If I'm too fast for you, you can go at a slower pace. If I'm too slow for you, go at a faster pace. You just need to be comfortable with your own body. And yeah, breathe normally. If you need to hydrate in between the workouts, please do. Okay, next we go to windmills. Okay, position. Let's go. Okay, our last workout, we're going to do a fast jog on the spot, so just give it your all, okay? Okay guys, we did it. That was good guys. Time to stretch. Let's stretch your arms. Stretch the legs. Yay, we did it. Your neck. The other side. Okay. Okay, let's breathe in and out, and then we're done. One last one. Wow, that was nice. How was it, guys? Please let me know on the comment section how you did it, and have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on my next one. Goodbye.